this video, besides standing in the shade, I'll show you. I always check the thing, it's gonna fall off the ceiling, but who knows. Anyway, what am I doing? See this bench here? I gotta clean all the stuff off it. Yeah, there's some rather nice pieces of hardware that I need to paint. So after I'm gonna take the board off the bench, put it over there. I'm gonna take this stuff off the bench and move it. And what am I gonna do with it? I am gonna attempt to weld the feet on the bottom. So if you bear with me here, we'll move some junk out of the way. Most of which is not junk, but lots of stuff to do with here. I have to remember I'm not wearing a mic right now, so I can't really talk very much. So I gotta put these somewhere. Alright. This bench isn't attached. See, it's just sitting there. Take the surfboard off. It's nice out, and I'm gonna weld this. So you put this over here for now. We'll just have to edit that part out. So what am I doing? I'm welding these little pads underneath so I can screw the little things in it, the little feetsies. Since the legs are on a little bit of an angle, these are gonna get welded on so I can put them on there. So stay tuned and keep watching. Here. This over here. Oh shit. Camera fell down. What the hell? It's not. Oh well. There we go. Hope it won't fall down again. There we go. Save the day. Alright, now this over here. Here's my welding mask over there. Put some sleeves on. Hopefully that's closed. Plug it in. There's that. Come on. There we go. For the ground. Come on. Biscuits that go in there. Let's see. Maybe I should move this closer. thing. Might have to. I made little tapers in these things. So I can put them on. There we go. Perfect. Well, maybe not perfect. Well, as good as it's going to get. All right, folks. We'll grind this up. Let's see. This dongle. There you go. Can't see. Looks like we missed a spot. We missed a spot. Anyway, you've probably seen enough grinding, so I'll end this here and I'll show you the finished result. Hello folks, I spared you the grinding, but as you can see here, I did all the, of course this goddamn thing focuses. I ground it, primed it, and it works pretty good. Did those two over there, same thing. Now what I'm doing is, I'm gonna screw these in here, see? These should screw in here, see? Sorry about the wobbly camera. And these things, screw them all the way down. Yes, it's late at night. There's the side. Let me go to the other side here. Put these ones in. It's a little darker. Come on. Get in there. Great. There's one of the thread in there. Okay, there we go. You can see why I put these on, because this has a little bit of an angle. So, get the wire in my hand here. Come on. Get on there. Come on. Well, it's not a full moon yet. I'm just screwing them all the way in for now, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape these up. Then I'm going to paint the bench. Not really sure how I'm going to paint the bench, but I'm thinking I'll bring it to my house and paint it. So here we go. Those two are in there. Those two are in there. Ta-da! Stay tuned. I'll show you more. Hello, folks. It's me again. I'm just going to show you what I did here. And if you haven't already paid attention, I've been building this bench here. And I put the little feet on here. So I welded all this around here, ground it down, because not because I'm a terrible welder, it's because I want it to look nice. I didn't want any. I want it to look good. So if I take this off and show you, you can actually put a wrench on here if you want. I'll take one off and show you. Basically, I welded a pad on here. There's a bolt welded in here if you haven't seen the other videos, and these go in here. Ta-da! Not bad. That's the whole bench. Here's the back right here, which I think you can see here. Same thing on both sides, bar in the middle. And I have what I call the wooden surfboard. Next part of this adventure is painting this thing. It's going to be a pain in my ass. If that's, I think it is. I'm thinking I might paint, I don't know, I might bring it to my house and paint it. I gotta basically go around, touch everything, make sure nobody gets mauled by anything. The inner welds are not the greatest. They look kind of shitty, but you know what? I tried. So yeah, it's getting there. I'm gonna probably paint it black. Go see if I got a can of black paint, give it probably one coat. It doesn't need 50 coats. So yeah, this thing is, one side's a little too high. They're not even all down all the way. That one's down all the way. My floor is not even level either, so. But they work. It works pretty good. Put it on the floor here, and the little. You can adjust the feet. Hold on. Who the hell's calling me? So anyway, we're getting rudely interrupted by probably my daughter FaceTiming me. Last thing to do is, like I was saying, sand and stain the piece of oak, paint this, and then find some way to screw it down. So before I even sand, well, actually I'm going to paint it, but before I actually sand it down, I'm going to get all the bolt holes and have it all mocked up first, and that should take me too long. Well, let's not get ahead of myself. It might take me longer than I think it is, but it's 4 holes. I don't think I'm going to put in, I might put 2 screws in the middle, but I don't want to. I probably should have put a flat thing there, but it's 2 screws on the end. That's all it's getting. Too bad. I might just put little, like, screws in the bottom to hold it. So, but the other part, I'm putting a, I'm going to probably put some countersink bolts in it. Bolts, nuts and bolts. Put it in so you don't feel anything on your butt there. So, anyway. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all pieces. I'll hopefully piece this whole video together so you can enjoy it. Hopefully somebody will enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Toodles.